Hi friends, this is Leela. Welcome to my channel. In the previous video, we have added the logout functionality button we have added. Now in this video, we will try to restrict the routes from entering into the pages, so which are only allowed when the user is logged in only. We'll try to write the condition. For example, here we are logged in. Okay, so now if I go to the /post, so I am directly entering into the post table, post data. But here the post page, we should not enter the user directly into this page. And also, for example, if I am logged in, and if I am logged in here, so we went into the post page. So now the user is logged in, so we can enter him into the post page. Now if I try to open this login here, see, I am able to open the login, but we should not open the login. Okay, so now we'll try to restrict the user so from entering this one. So how we can achieve this type of things? So we can achieve this type of things in Angular. We have used the can activate thing, right? Can activate child we have seen. The same scenario we have this in the Vuejs also. We have seen in the Vuejs root nav authentication courses that we have seen about the navigation guards. Okay, now what we'll try to see this navigation guard here in this is the router. Okay, these are the routers existing for us. And now this home page, let's assume that this home page, we can allow the user to enter both in the logged in or not logged in. Okay, so we can make the user to enter into this page. If he is logged in or not logged in also, we can enter this page. And this login, so if the user is not logged in only, he should open this page. If he is logged in, means he should not have the access to open this page. And the sign up also the same scenario. The post thing, so this is different. So what is it? If the user is authenticated only, he should be entered into that page. If he is not authenticated, he should not have access to enter into this page. So what can we do? Here we can achieve using this before each function navigation guard. So router dot before each means before entering into the router, so we can do the logic. What I can do is here I can add the meta. Okay, so meta is one functionality present in this one. And here for the home, I will not add anything. So here what I will try to do is I will try to add the meta auth is false. Okay, so this auth is false. So this name could be whatever the name you want, you can get. So just I am creating some static data so that I can make use of the static data here. Okay, so a meta takes an object key value pair. This key is something whatever you want you can give, and the prop value also whatever the value you want you can give. So this meta property we can use it here. And this auth false, so when this auth is not there only, we need to open this one. So in the same scenario, this one is also, and here auth is true. When the auth is true only, we need to open this one. And also for this component home, if it is auth true or false, anything, so it should be opened. So that is the reason I am not keeping anything. Here what I will try to do is I can go into this one, and here you will be having two things, to, from, and next. So to, from, and next. So first let's check this to. So if I open this to, the console.log the to here, so we can access the metadata from this to. So if I try to see, if I try to show store is never used but defined. Okay, so here we can remove the store. Now what I can do is if I try to open this one, so for this login page we have the auth false, right? So if I try to check the console, here you will be having this one. So here you will be having the meta and auth. So you can access this meta using to.meta.auth. Okay, now what I can do here, so I can check something like if to.meta.auth. If auth is present, that means auth true is present and the user is not logged in. So user is not logged in means how we can get from the store. So import store from /store/store.js. okay, so and here I can access using store.getters of, it is present in the auth / and we can use this template literal operator, and here I can use is _ user _ authenticated getter. Okay, use user authenticated getter, we will be getting true or false. So if auth is true and the user is not logged in, okay, So then we need to redirect him to the login page. Okay, so here you will be having another one is the from, and here will be the next thing. So next you will be using next of whatever the page you want to send, you will be sending here login. I want to redirect him to the login. And now else. So else if not of 2.meta.auth is present. So if 2.meta.auth, so if the meta auth is false, and if there is authentication. Okay, if there is authentication, so now this auth should be false, so that means auth should not be present, so that means token should not be present, but the token is present. Then what we need to do, so we need to force him to the /post page. So anything other than this one, so let's whatever the URL it is there, let's send it to that URL. So this is the navigation thing. So let's try to check this code. Now if I try to open this one, so now here if I try to open the post thing, okay, so here I will try to open the post, so it redirected to the login. See, so it redirected to the login. Now I will try to log in here, test@test.com, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if I click on the login here, so I went to the login, and if I try to open the login, it opened the login. Why it opened the login? Next, so meta is false, and also the store.getters of authenticated user auth is present. Okay, so this is happening because of the token we are not saving in the, what I can say, in the local storage. Up to now we are not storing the local storage, right? So token is not present, so that is the reason it is going to the login. So it's not a problem. So if I technically this one is working. 1 2 3 4 5 6. If I go here, so now it is working. So if I click on login and if I press enter, so token automatically it will be expired. Why? Because we are not storing in the local storage. So in the next videos we will store it in the local storage. Now another one what we can do is, so here the home page is there. So if I click on the home page, so it is not redirecting to the home page. Why is this happening? It is not redirecting to the home page, right? So what is happening is, here is, if you try to open this one, okay, if I try to check here, so I don't know whether we are printing this one or not. Home, if I click on home, okay, we are not showing. Here what will happen is 2.meta, we haven't given the anything, auth false or true, we haven't given anything. So that means what it will happen is, it will be false only defaultly. So then it is going into the false and it is going to the post. So that's the reason it is remaining in the post only. So what we can check here, one condition is, if auth is present in 2.meta ampersand, we can check one condition here like this, and here also you can check the condition like this. Now if I try to open here, so now it will go to the login automatically. If I do test@test.com, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and here if I click, it will go, and if I click on home, I am able to go to the home page. See, so if I click here and everything, I am able to see. If I click on logout, I went to the login page. Now here home page should be visible. Why? Because the home page is not related with the authenticated or not authenticated. So what I can do, I can go to the navigation and I can remove this via, if is authenticated, I can remove. Now what will happen here, home we will be able to see. So if I click on home, I am able to see the home page. If I click on the post page, it is going to login page. Why? Because post is having the navigation guard of authentication. Now if I click on test@test.com, sorry, test@test.com, and 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if I click on login, I'm able to enter here home, posts, and everything. I'm able to see logout. So this is how we have successfully set up the navigation guard, and we have restricted the pages, so not open directly with the when the user is not authenticated. So we have added the navigation guard. So this is how we will be using the navigation guard in the Vuejs, so for restricting the access to the particular pages when the user is not authenticated. Okay, hope you understood the concept. So if you have any doubts or any suggestions, please post the comments below to this video, and if you like this video, please do support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you.